Hello students, this is Subhan sir. Today we will start exercise 3.6 and in this exercise we will study about linear equation which we need to reduce them in the general form of linear equation, then we will solve the equations. See, first question, solve the following pair of linear equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So these equations are given to us, but they are not in linear form. That means they are not linear equation, they are just equations. So we have to reduce them into the form of linear equation, and then we will solve this linear equation in order to find out the values of x and y. So two equations are given to us, 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So first of all, what we are going to do, we will assume that 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Okay, so we will assume 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. After this we will put the values of 1 upon x and 1 upon y into the equation. That is, the equation will reduce in the form. See, here 1 upon x is written, so here what I will write, u. Okay, 1 upon x is written, that means u I will write. Here 1 upon y is written, so v I will write. Okay, so the equation will reduce in the form u upon 2 plus v upon 3 is equal to 2. Okay, just simplify this equation, it will become 3u plus 2v. Okay, taking LCM, 2 3 is 6, then dividing this, 6 divided by 2, that means 3u, 3 multiply with u, 3 divide 6 2 times, so 2 multiply with v, it is equal to 2. So the equation will become 3u plus 2v is equal to 6 to the 12. Okay, 6 to the 12. So that is our first equation. Now from second equation, when we put x, 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v, we will get u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Okay, so now taking LCM, so here also LCM will be 6, 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 upon 6. Okay, here what we have done, taken LCM, 3 divides 6 2 times, so 2u, 2 divides 6 3 times, so 3v, 6 and 6 will cancel out, the equation will become 2u plus 3v is equal to 13, and that is our second equation. So two equations we have, 3u plus 2v equal to 12 and 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Now we will solve this pair of linear equation with the help of either of the method, either cross multiplication or elimination. So it is better to take elimination method. First of all, we will write the equations. The first equation is 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. Second is 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. So first of all, this equation will be multiplied with the coefficient of the second equation first term, that means the coefficient of u, 2. So this equation will be multiplied by 2 and this equation second one will be multiplied by 3. So here it is multiplied by 3. So we will get the equations as 2 multiply with the whole equation, 2 3 is a 6u, 2 2 is a 4v, 2 12 is a 24. Okay, then 3 multiply with this equation, it will become 6u, 3 into 3 9v is equal to 13 3s are 39. Now subtracting both the equation, 6u cancel out, 4u minus 9u minus 5v, 24 minus 39, that means smaller value minus larger value, so it will become minus 15. Okay, minus and minus sign cancel out. V is equal to 15 upon 5. 5 divide 15 3 times, so the value of V is 3 over here. Okay, now as V is 3, we can substitute this value in any of the equation. Okay, suppose in first equation if I put the value as V equal to 3, so the equation becomes 3U plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12, that is 3U plus 6 is equal to 12. This implies that 3U is equal to 6 only, because 12 minus 6 is 6. This implies that U is equal to 2. So the value of U is 2, V is 3. Okay, now since U is equal to 2 and U we have assumed as 1 upon x, so 1 upon x is equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to what? Reciprocal of this value. X is equal to, x will go there, 2 will go there in the left hand side, so x is equal to 1 upon 2. In the same way, V is equal to 3, so V is what? 1 upon y, so it is equal to 3, so y will be equal to what? 1 upon 3. So these are the two values of x and y. Now moving towards the second question. Two upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. So here what we are going to do, we will assume 1 upon root x as u and 1 upon root y as v. So let 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. Therefore the linear pair, the equations will be in the under the linear form now, and it will become 2 upon root x, so it will become 2u plus 3 upon root y, so it will become 3v is equal to 2. Here 4 upon root x, so it will become 4u plus, sorry, minus sign is there, minus sign, 9 upon root y, so 9v is equal to minus 1. Now we can do one thing with these equations. Either we can take common, but there is no common value. Here 4 is there and here 9, so we can't take common. So what we can do, we will multiply this first equation by 4, coefficient of u, and second equation by 2. So 4 2s are 8u plus 4 3s are 12v is equal to 4 2s are 8. Here 2 multiply with 4, 8u minus sign, 2 9s are 18, v is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Now solving by elimination method, minus this negative sign becomes positive, here this negative sign becomes positive. So 8u and 8u cancel out, 12v plus 18v, that is 30v is equal to 8 plus 2, that is 10. Okay, so v is equal to 10 upon 30, 0 to 0 cancel, v equal to 10 upon 30, that is 0 to 0 cancel, v equal to 1 upon 3. So the value of v is 1 upon 3. This value of v we will put in the equation number first. Okay, this one. So 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. So it will become 2u plus 3 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 2. 3 to 3 cancel, 2u plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2u is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 2u is equal to 1, u is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, now the value of u is 1 upon 2. So u is 1 upon 2, v is 1 upon 3. Two values we got. Now if u is 1 upon 2, since u is equal to 1 upon 2, and what we have assumed u as 1 upon root x. So 1 upon root x is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we will cross multiply this. So 2 is equal to root x. Okay. Now in order to find the value of x, we will square both the terms, or we can say that as we remove root from this right hand side, it will go to the left hand side as a square. So the value of x will be 2 square, that is 4. So x is equal to 4. Value of x is 4. In the same way, v is equal to 1 upon 3. So v is 1 upon root y. V is equal to 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon 3. Now again cross multiplication. So 3 is equal to root y. Y will be equal to square of 3, that is 9. That means y is equal to 9. So these are the two values of the equations, x and y. X as 4, y as 9. Now third equation, 4 upon x plus 3y and 3 upon x minus 4y. Now in this question, what we are going to do, we will assume as 1 upon x as u. So let 1 upon x is equal to u. So the equation now will becomes 4u plus 3y. Okay, we will not put y as v, because y is already there in the numerator. Okay, it is not in the denominator. So 4u plus 3y is equal to 14. Similarly, 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. These are the two linear equations. Now we will solve them, multiplying this equation by 3 and second equation by 4. Okay, coefficient of u, first equation u, that is 4. So second equation is multiplied with 4. Coefficient of second equation, that is u, 3. So we multiply the first equation by 3. So we will get two pair of linear equation. 3 4s are 12u plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 14 3s are 42. Similarly, 4 3s are 12u minus 4 4s are 16y is equal to 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 92. Okay, now subtracting negative, it will become negative become positive, and here negative. They will cancel. 9y plus 16y, 25y, 42 minus 92, it will become minus 50. Okay, so y is equal to minus 50 upon 25. 25 divide 52 times, so y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. Now this value of y equal to minus 2 we will put in the equation number first, that is 4u plus 3y is equal to 14. So 4u plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 14. So we will get 4u minus 6 is equal to 14. 4u is equal to 6 minus 6 will go to the right hand side, get added. 14 plus 6, 20. Okay, so 4u equal to 20. So the value of u is 20 upon 4. U is equal to 20 upon 4. 4 divide 20 5 times, so u is equal to 5. And since u we have assumed as 1 upon x, so 1 upon x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 1 upon 5. X is equal to 1 upon 5. So x is equal to 1 upon 5, y is equal to minus 2. These are the two values.